Hi, my name is Karen North. I'm the director of the USC's Annenberg program on online communities, and I'm here to talk about my passion, which is social media. And okay, let's take a little trip down through history for a second. We used to meet in person, talk on the phone, send letters, because we were constrained by physical reality. We were constrained by everything that the physical world could do. But what's happened recently is that we're no longer constrained. Now we live, interact, work, we network, obviously, we buy, we sell, we read, we view, and we play online. And what that means is that we can work on our computers, at our desks, at the beach, we could use our mobile, we could use Twitter, we could do whatever we want. So is our world changing? It's already changed. Think about how much you do online in your daily life, and how much it's changed your life just in the last few years. And how long does it take for these things to reach users these days? It used to take decades for technologies to come to us, and now it's a mere matter of months. Our lives have changed and will continue to change at a more and more rapid pace. So the New York Times recently asked me whether or not social networking was going to be a passing fad. And I laughed, and I thought, a passing fad, that's crazy. How could that possibly be? We are drawn to every website all the time. We go to millions of websites, and so we go to some that are pretty, some that are ugly. If you think about it, what is it that's drawing us to websites? Is it the design? Is it the functionality? Is it the user experience? Whatever it is, we are now in a world where there are an enormous number of opportunities available to us, and they're changing daily. So the New York Times question was, are they here to stay? Well, think about what the websites are that are most popular now and what people are spending most of their time on. Social networks are the most popular sites on the web, and they're reaching at times a quarter of the global population of internet users. They're changing every sector of our life. Barack Obama would not be president without his social media campaign. Journalism, think about how journalism is changing and how newspapers are on the decline because of things like Craigslist. Think about business. Think about everything else. I decided we needed an intermission because, as Twitter's taught us, we only have the attention span for about 140 characters. My intermission's now over. So now a little self-promotion from my... Can't talk this fast. A little self-promotion. So I run this program at USC. We bring about a dozen idea people to USC every year to study social media and to decide how to bring people together online. And what we do is we bring them together to decide what ideas are worth pursuing together, and what idea and how. You've got to get rid of this. And how it's going to work. We teach people to cultivate, to build, to manage, and to be experts in social media. And what that means is that we take their ideas and we teach them how to conceptualize, how to design their sites, how to attract and retrain users. If you think about it, you don't have a business without that. How to monetize so that you could support yourself, how to use new and developing revenue models and business ideas, viral marketing, digital PR, and of course, you always need to know how to deal with venture capitalists. We have classes taught by USC's world-class faculty, and also, if you think about the people out here and all the people around town, we have the world's best here in Los Angeles to teach our students how to build sites and how to create experiences that everybody wants to do. We send them out to summer internships and to year-long internships, doing amazing things both with startups and also with some of the really, blue chip companies that we have here in Los Angeles. And our students end up not only with jobs in these places, but also having the experience of working side by side with some great entrepreneurs and business leaders. We have funded final projects. We give the students $10,000 to build a site, which the students then retain after they graduate. We teach them to go from conceptualization to launch in 4 months. How many of you have launched an interactive site in 4 months? We teach them to use an array of tools, everything that's new and upcoming. We're not constrained by whether or not anybody's ever published on it. We're constrained only by the limits of the experience that people can have and can bring together. And we teach them not how to code, but how to manage their tech team, how to hire and fire people, and how to make things happen. We've had an amazing array of websites in our first 3 years come out of it. We've had environmental sites, we've had user-generated review sites, we've had music sharing sites, we've had fashion sites, we've had culture sites, we've had neighborhood sites. people come up with amazing ideas. Just as a couple that we're looking at that are pretty successful, Stroom.com has been written up all over the place. Amazing site that's going to change journalism. It's interactive, collaborative video editing that is really at the top of creativity for that. And we've had some, the other one, Bakit Y, is one of our favorites. It's a project that came out of one of our students that's a Filipino-American culture site that's amazing. So anyway, thank you. That's what I'm passionate about. And thank you for letting me kick off the evening.